Mm. Okay, simmer down. Okay,
Yeah.
similar to calm down.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you boil the water, eventually the water will evaporate, right?
Mm.
But it'll evaporate a lot quicker than if you simmer. So let's say simmer slowly. So simmer it down slowly. Sometimes certain recipes you want something to thicken up. So
Yeah.
simmer slowly. Teacher, I have one question. What is mean by transcendence and through?
True.
Well, through is easy. Transcendence is a little harder, but like to transcend, to rise above, or to change. We have Alex here who's asking me all the
Yeah.
tough questions. Alex, what do you say about transcendence?
And through. Could you give us a context that you have taken this word? It will be easier. Do you have a context?
So through is easy. So when something is through, it's over or has gone through. So if I stick my hand through my other hand, if there's a hole here, I'm sticking my finger through the hole. But Ali, if your wife said we are through, that's not good news for you because it means you're over. It means she doesn't want to be with you anymore. So dinner is through or class is through, it means the class is over. So to go through something, you can go through a difficult time in life. I went through a bad relationship. And then also, yeah, if we use different spelling, we could say through as in past tense of throw. Alex, can you read this for me, please?
Which one?
The first one, the blue one.
Your screen is frozen.
Yeah, I don't know why this always happens. I keep forgetting to put in a report for Hello to hopefully fix this because this happens a lot. But it's easy to fix. I just stopped sharing and reshare. So welcome everybody. Hi Wen. Hello Edgar. Hello Shireen. Hello Edgar. Hello Martian. Hello anybody who I didn't say hello to. Good eye. Okay, go ahead, Alex.
Yeah, the definition you mean, right? Through.
Yeah, please.
Moving in one side and out of the other side of an opening, channel, or location.
Yeah, like I said, if I stick my finger through this side and out the other, it went through. You go through a tunnel.
Sure.
Okay. Vivid, read the number 2 for me, please.
Continuing in time toward completion of a process of period.
Okay.
Completion.
So continuing in time toward the completion or process. So, and we can look at a bunch of different definitions and sub definitions. If I click this, it's going to give us a ton. Like I said, dinner is through, dinner is over. We went through a tough time, which meant it was a period of life that was difficult. So the context which he's referring to, as you said, we don't know if it's not in context. Alex, can you read Jamal's comment that says about
sure.
transcendence, please?
Transcendence means the act of moving or going beyond the physical or even non-physical limits. That's a good explanation. That's what I wanted to express.
Good. And that's why I told you to go hunt for teacher Jamal, because he loves all that advanced stuff that you were asking earlier. He loves it. He's not a teacher by trade again, but he just loves languages. And I think he will like that old Greek philosophy stuff as well.
Wow.
He's just so smart. I hate Jamal, actually. He's too smart. Yeah, it's hard to explain. I think I did an all right job explaining it, didn't I, Jamal? Was it horrible, my explanation? Transcendence. It depends, again, how you're using it, but is this exactly what Jamal said? David, read that, please.
Existence or experience beyond the normal or physical level.
So we know, like, we talked about Buddhist a few times today. When a Buddhist is meditating, he says he transcends his physical form. His spiritual
Yeah.
form rises above. You couldn't hear me, Jamal? You're supposed to just lie then, Jamal. Remember, we know that lying is halal if it is used in the right way, like a white lie, right? If your grandma says, Jamal, how is the soup I made for you?
Oh my
Um,
god.
and it's awful soup, it's not haram to say, Grandma, it was great, right? Is that correct, guys? Will everybody admit that lying sometimes is good?
Oh
If
yeah,
my wife,
sometimes. Yes,
if I'm married, again, if
absolutely.
I'm married, and my wife says, do these pants make me look fat? I'm not going to say, yes.
She
Rising
could say
above should
you'll
be,
be in danger.
people often use them interchangeably. There's a big, there's a good joke, and I'm stealing it, but a comedian said the same thing. The lady was like, do these pants make me look fat? And she's like, no, your big butt makes you look fat. Don't blame the pants.
Absolutely agreed, because women love lie, especially
Women
about
love
the
lies.
her body. Yeah, women love lie, especially about, yeah, you talk about the her body.
Yes, some women, not all. Everyone's different, right? We won't
Yeah,
generalize,
yeah,
but
yeah, 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 yeah.
often. But
Yeah.
who doesn't like lies when it's about flattery? Not just women. Women more than men, but it's true. Flattery is good. Contagious laugh. Okay, flattery is contagious. Everybody likes to be flattered sometimes, right? All right, let's read the next one. Alex, read number 4 for me, please.
Sure. Okay. Step 4. Tan the brisket with foil and bake for about 6 hours and 30 minutes until very tender. Transfer the biscuit to a carving board, tent with foil, and let rest for 20 minutes.
Good. Vivid, same one.
Then what?
I'll be back.
Okay, no problem,
Listen.
Arnold. You know, guys, everyone on Hallo, especially our Arabic users and Kurdish users, people from the Middle East, people say, oh, I'm going now. And people say, take your time. That's incorrect use of take your time. He
Ah.
said, I'll be back. So when I say take your time, it basically means like no rush. It's like no problem. Oh, I have to go for a minute. Take your time.
Mm,
So we don't say take your time when someone's leaving. Doesn't make
mm.
sense. Just say goodbye. All right. See ya. Bye. Thanks
Okay.
for joining.
Okay.
See you next
Okay.
time. There's a
Okay.
million things you could say. Take your time
Okay.
isn't good in that case.
Okay.
Just for all our Arabic friends who are sleeping right now. So I'm basically helping the people who need to be helped who aren't here.
Mm, okay.
Okay, go ahead, Vivid. Read this.
Tent the brisket with foil and bake for about 6 hours and 30 minutes until very tender. Transfer the brisket to a carving board, tent with foil, and let rest for 20 minutes.
Good. You both kept messing up this pronunciation, and I forgot before. Brisket.
Tent,
Brisket.
brisket,
Yeah,
brisket,
good. It's not that hard to say. I don't know why you both missed it, but it's fine. Brisket. So
brisket.
what does it mean if they say tent the brisket with foil?
Mm, mm, Okay, I have to guess. Um, um, okay, time, time ups. Okay, wait. I don't know because um, maybe you have to put in the something for to make I have to call in Indonesia like make your foods more more flavor, more
No,
yummy.
it has nothing to do with flavor. So, Vivid, do you know what camping is?
Campinius?
Yeah, camping. We go and we sleep in
Oh,
tents.
camping. Yeah. Camping.
So
I know. Camping.
when we sleep in tents, we're covered
Uh,
by the tent
uh-huh.
itself. So when they
Yeah.
say tent it, they mean often they literally mean put it in like the
Uh,
shape of a tent, which
yeah.
are those triangles.
Yeah.
But
You
they
put.
cover it, but they don't want it tightly covered. So not tightly covered, just tent it.
Uh,
Cover it up.
okay.
So it's not totally tight, but
Okay.
still
I get
covered.
it. I know. I get it. I get it. Okay. Um, I always use like that for the make my for cover about the bake for cover about the for the cover about when I bake meat or salmon. I always
Yeah,
put in the foil for make sure about the
to make
roast.
sure. To
Yeah,
make sure.
to make sure roast, to make sure to to make sure about the, for example, I wanna be a well done or I want a medium well done or something like that. So make sure about that.
It's covered. See, there's a tent. They
Yeah.
tented the roast.
Yeah. Okay. And then a brisket. Okay.
I think we get the
Then
picture.
yeah. When I make a roast chicken, so I always put a chicken in the foil, aluminum foil.
You okay? I usually just put a lid on it. Then I don't have to waste tinfoil.
Oh, the name is brisket. Brisket.
Okay.
Okay.
Sleepy, sleepy. Okay, so number 5. Go ahead, read that.
Skim skim the skim the fat off the braising liquid and discard the bay leaf. Carve the brisket and transfer to a platter. Serve with
Platter.
the
Platter.
platter. Platter.
Yeah,
Platter.
yeah.
Serve with the pan juice and vegetables.
Juices. Juices.
Juices.
Good.
Juices and vegetables.
Yeah, vegetables. Good. I always
Okay.
mispronounce vegetables. Like I think Native Americans, vegetables. If we check
Vegetable.
out the British, it'll be very different. Most
Veget-
pronunciations should be the same. Like when we look at schedule and schedule, there are certain words that are like totally different.
but in the America, vegetable.
Vegetables, we'd say, and
Yeah.
some often we
Vegetables.
Vegetable.
just shorten it even further and we say veggies. Don't
Vegetables.
forget to eat your veggies.
Vegetable.
See, vegetable. But
Veget-
watch the British. They'll say
vegetable.
vegetables. Where are we?
You can go to Longman Dictionary.
This will work, I think.
Vegetable.
Well, they just said the same. I know I've heard some British people say vegetable. Where's Jamal when I need him? Come on, Jamal, tell us how to say vegetable. I can't even say it that way because I just say vegetable.
Vegetable. Vegetable.
Veg
Right?
vegetable. It cannot be changed to the like vegetable, I think, because the T is just between a vowel and a consonant
Vegetable.
sound.
What's the dictionary you mentioned?
Longman Dictionary.
Long
Longman.
man.
Sure, it's very clear and easy definitions are available.
Oh, look at all those. Oh, all these pop-ups, though.
Fresh fruit and vegetables.
Organic methods of growing vegetables.
Vegetable soup. A neat vegetable garden.